Welcome to another edition of On the Job with AJ Manufacturing. I'm Bob Kortbien, Vice President of Sales and Marketing. I'll be your host. Our On the Job series was created to give you the tools you need to properly install AJ products. AJ is committed to product innovation that assures the contractor and end user performance and value for the life of the building. On the Job is another example of our commitment to adding value through customer service, training, and clear communication. In this segment, we'll discuss proper installation of the AJ EZV trim system for vinyl windows. This system is an industry first. We feel so strongly about the unique design, we patented the product. Designed to save time while properly flashing the window, this innovative system provides a leak-free, consistent install. The bonus is a bold look with a professional appearance only seen in more expensive arenas. Watch as we walk you through the installation. The EZV trim system is designed to allow the window to be installed into the wall after the steel siding has been applied to the building. Planning the layout of your window installation is very important. You'll want to be certain that both vertical edges of the window opening will be in the flat areas of the corrugated steel siding. The wood rough opening must be square, plumb, and the correct size to accept the window. Make sure that no part of the siding extends into the rough opening at the top or either side. If there are any jagged edges at the top or bottom of the opening, flatten them with the pliers or file them off. It is very critical that the steel at the bottom of the opening is not cut below the edge of the wood rough opening and no more than 1/8 inch above. Here's a look at the window components. Here you see the window master frame with the vertical EZV nailing fin and the EZV header J-channel and sill J-channel, which are mechanically fastened to the window master frame at the factory. The header J-channel is about 1.5 inches tall, and the J-channel on the sill is about 1/2 of an inch tall. The vertical attachment strips have slotted holes to allow for vinyl expansion, and the round bottom hole to secure the window to the opening. Make a horizontal cut in the steel siding 1 5/8 inches long at the top corner of each side of the opening. Be certain that the cut is even with the top edge of the opening in the siding. Before installing the window into the framed rough opening, apply a bead of caulk to the back side of the vertical nail fin base on each side of the window to help seal the window to the steel siding. Do not fasten the siding any closer than 12 inches from the edges of the window opening until after the window is installed. This allows the steel siding to flex enough so that you can insert the nailing fin legs behind the steel siding. Insert shims every 10 to 12 inches between the framed wood opening and the metal siding to create space for the sill nailing fin to slide into. Hold the unit at an angle to the wall with the top of the unit nearest the wall. Insert the 1-inch long fin on the top of the EZV header between the siding and the wood header of the rough opening. Slide the window unit up and into the opening in one motion. After the window unit is pushed all the way to the top of the opening and is tight against the siding, slide the unit down to the wood sill of the rough opening with the 1/2 inch long fin of the EZV sill sliding between the siding and the wood frame sill. From the building interior, check the window to be certain it is level, plumb, and resting on the wood sill of the opening. Run screws or nails through the round bottom holes first to secure the window to the rough opening. These fasteners should be fully installed. Next, insert fasteners into the remaining slotted holes. These fasteners should not be fully installed, but rather lightly tightened down to allow for thermal expansion and contraction of the vinyl parts, much as with vinyl siding. The fasteners at the top of the unit frame should pass through the siding above the J-channel nailing fin and then into the wood frame of the rough opening. The fasteners at the bottom of the unit should pass through the siding below the J-channel and into the wood of the rough opening. The fins will then be clamped between the siding and the wood frame. Caulk the top of the unit from the beginning of the horizontal slot in the siding to the first corrugation. Do this on both sides of the frame header. It is not necessary to caulk across the entire length of the top of the window. Caulk the bottom of the window from the edge of the rough opening corners to the first rib on both sides. Attach the vertical nailing fin base covers by engaging the outside hook into the groove in the base strip away from the window unit. Roll the cover over the outer leg of the base strip and press down until the inside hook engages with the groove in the outside of the strip. Thank you for joining us today. Before we wrap up, I'd like to recap some of the benefits we spoke about earlier. The EZV system is an industry first, with patent pending. It is a solution to vinyl windows in steel-clad buildings. EZV provides for proper flashing. It won't leak. The system allows for thermal expansion. It saves time with consistent installation process. EZV always looks bold and professional. The system is available on AJ Silverline and AJ Harmony windows. Contact us at 1-800-328-9448 or ajdoor.com.